Hello friends, today's topic is Introduction to Tenses in English. There are three major tenses in English: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense has four subdivisions of tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. The structure of these tenses, as simple present tense has structure subject plus verb plus object. Present continuous tense has structure subject am or is or are plus verb plus ing plus object. Present perfect tense has structure subject has, have plus past participle of the verb means third form of verb plus object. Present perfect continuous tense has structure subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. So sometimes there may be no object. Such sentences like the bird fly is without object. First tense is simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express the habitual action. She drinks milk daily. I go to college every day. Both the sentences express the habitual action, that she drinks milk every day and I also go to college every day. The second point is simple present tense is used to express universal truth. So such truths which are always remain the same, no one can change it, no one can deny it. The sun rises in the east, sugar is sweet. We all know that sun rises in the east and it sets in the west, no one can deny it. Sugar is sweet. We agree with the both sentences, so they are universal truths. Third point is simple present tense is used to express action in the immediate present. Here comes the train, there he goes. So the train just came and he just gone. So such actions are expressed in this tense. The simple present tense is used to indicate the present time. My mother works in a school. Our house has a large garden. So in the present situation, my mother works in the school and our house has the large garden. This tense is also used to express fixed future actions. The school opens at 8 a.m. So every day it opens at 8 a.m. The Prime Minister visits Mumbai next week. So it is a planned action, fixed action. Such actions are expressed in this tense. Fifth is to show ownership or relationship. She is my sister. This house belongs to Mr. Patil. So it shows the relationship and the ownership. The last point is the simple present tense is used with the verbs of perceptions, appearing, emotions, thinking. The honey's taste is sweet. She looks happy. So present continuous tense is next. The present continuous tense is used the action in progress at the time of speaking. The teacher is teaching a poem. Varun is playing a football. So both the actions are happening at the time of speaking. The present tense is used for temporary action. I am reading a novel. He is teaching English at university. So, at this time, I may not be reading a novel, or at this time, he may not be teaching at the university, but these actions are temporary and such actions are expressed in this tense. The present continuous tense is also used in planned future actions to express the planned future actions. My father is going to Delhi tomorrow. We are visiting the zoo next week. So, father is going to Delhi tomorrow. It will happen in future, but it is fixed action, and we are going to visit zoo next week, but the planned action are expressed in this tense. Repeated actions, Ram is always making mistakes. So Ram always makes mistakes. So such examples are expressed in this tense. Mother is always complaining about study of the kids. The next tense is present perfect tense. So present perfect tense is used to describe the action or events beginning the past and continue up to present. He has finished his homework. We have learnt English grammar. So the action beginning in the past and it is continue up to present in this sentence. This tense is also used to express unfinished actions. I have not yet completed my assignments. Ramesh has not met me this year. So my assignment is not yet complete, so it is unfinished action. Such actions are expressed in this tense. This tense is also used to express a finished action with the present implication. He has forgotten his mobile in the train. Many workers have lost their jobs due to pandemic. So we can see the results or the implications of it in the present. The last tense is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express the action started in the past and still continues. He has been working in Balaji Industries since 2001. Means even today he is working now there. We have been learning grammar for 8 days. We started it before 8 days and today is the 8th day and we are learning it even today. This tense is also used to express for drawing conclusions. They decorate their house. It is obvious they have been preparing for Diwali. So it is my guess that they are decorating their house. It may be for Diwali preparation. Hari gallops food because he has been starving from so many days. Thank you.